Today we discuss the TP assignment. There are the 4 questions. First of all, we discuss the first question, the fabrication of a parabolic mirror. It is a proposed to make a baking for a periodic mirror by rotating a pan of a slow hardening plastic resin at the constant speed until it hardens. Calculate the rotational speed required to produce mirror of focal length f is equals to 100. This is the equation which are given. We can solve this problem by the equation of chain and the cell balance. First of all, we solve this by the equation of chain. This is the derivation. We take the liquid of constant density and the viscosity in a cylindrical container of radius r, is shown in a figure. This is a rotating liquid with a free surface, the shape of which is a parabola of a revolution. Okay. We take a cylindrical coordinate are appropriate for this. At a steady state, we take a Br is equal to 0 and Bz is equal to 0 and B theta will depend only on r. And the density depend on z because of the gravitational force on r because of the centrifugal force, but not on theta. We take a 3 component, the r component, this equation is, and theta component and the z component. The theta component of the equation of motion can be integrate and we get this equation. Here the C1 and C2 are the constant of integration and B theta cannot be infinite at r equals to 0. The constant C2 must be 0. At r equals to r, B theta velocity is r omega. Or B theta is equals to omega r. We take a pressure gradient equation. There are the 2 pressure gradient equation. First is dp by dr is equals to rho omega square r. And the second equation is dp by dz is equals to minus rho g. After integration we get a 2 equation. P is equals to half rho omega square r square plus f1 p is equals to minus rho gz plus f2. Where f1 and f2 are the arbitrary function of a integration. At r is equals to 0 and z is equals to z0 and p is equals to patm. So we get the p minus patm is equals to minus rho g z minus z0 plus half rho omega square r square. And after all apply equations and formulae, we get the final equation z minus z0 is equals to omega square by 2g into r square. This is the equation for a parabola. Now we solve our question by the help of this equation. So we know z minus z0 is equals to omega square by 2g into r square. And the required derivation of this function at the axial rotation r dz by dr is equals to 0. So dz square by dr square is equals to omega square by g. And the desired focal length equals to half of the radius of curvature of the mirror surface at the r is equals to 0. So f is equals to half g by omega square. So b f is equals to 100 centimeter are given in question. When we put the value, then we get a angular velocity 2.214 radians per second, which corresponding to 60 by omega by 2 pi 21.1 revolution per minute. This is the profile diagram for this question, the 2D profile diagram. O is the center, Z is the Z axis, vertical axis, R is the radius of direction. The shape of this curve is the parabolic. The lowest point is Z equals to Z0 at R is equals to R0. This is the 3D profile. We can also solve this by question about the cell balance. This is the derivation for the cell balance. We consider liquid rotating with a constant angular velocity omega in a cylindrical container. We take a small cylindrical cell component. The thickness is dr and at a small r radius. And the height is dz and volume r d theta dr dz. This is a differential cell element. We take some assumption: steady state, incompressible fluid, no radial vertical velocity, pressure vary only in r and z direction. The force balance in radial direction. There are the 2 types of force: pressure force and centrifugal force. By pressure force, we get a minus dp by dr. By centrifugal force, we get a rho omega square r d theta dr dz. By the cell momentum balance, we get equation dp by di equals to rho omega square r. The force balance in the vertical z direction. The pressure force is minus dp by dz, or weight is rho g. So by cell balance equation in z direction, dp by dz equals to minus rho g. So now we integrate these equation. So when we integrate radial equation, to get a p is equal to half rho omega square r plus fz, or integrate vertical equation, so we get a p is equal to minus rho g z plus gr function. When we combine the both equations, so we get a half rho g omega square r square minus rho g z plus c. Applying boundary conditions, so we get a constant of integration, and all applied equations and formula, so we get a final equation, the z minus z naught is equal to half omega square r square by g. And this is the profile diagram for this equation. The same profile diagram when we derive by equation of chain. And the relation with the focal length, the standard parabola equals to z equals to r square by 4f. On compare by this, so we get a f equals to g by 2 omega square. When we solve this question by the cell balance equation, to get a same result, 21.1 rpm. Now we take a problem 2, the flow of falling film. Oil has a kinematic viscosity 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second. Density is 0.8 10 to the power 3. If we want to have a falling film of thickness of 2.5 mm, vertical axis, what should be the mass rate of flow of the liquid will be. So now we solve the by cell balance equation. The flow of liquid down an inclined flat plate of a length L and the width W. We take a 5 assumption viscosity density of a fluid constant W and L are large compared to film thickness delta Bz independent of Z, Bx 0, By 0, and the tau Zx equal to minus nu dVz by dx. We know the rate of Z momentum in across surface at Z is equal to 0. Is W delta x phi z equals to 0, and same the rate of Z momentum out across surface Z equals to L, and rate of Z momentum in across surface at x, rate of Z momentum out across surface x plus delta S, gravity force acting on fluid in the Z direction. This by cell momentum balance formula, we apply all this equation. Now we divide this equation by the LW delta x. Then we get this limit, and the limit take delta x approach to 0, and we know the d phi xz by dx or minus dz is minus dz is equal to L by L is equal to rho g cos beta, and phi xz and the phi zz, and we also assume some points. So from this, so we get the tau zx by d. We get this equation by the cell momentum balance. LW phi z x minus xz x plus delta, then divide this equation by the LW delta x. Then when we get this equation, we know this 3 equation and also assumption. The final equation we get the tau xz by dx का rho g cos beta x. We integrate this equation and get this. We apply the boundary condition 1 x equal to 0, tau xz 0, to c1 0. So we get the tau xz equal to rho g cos beta x. By Newton law of viscosity, we know the tau xz equal to minus nu dvz by dx. So we put this value on this equation and get dvz by dx minus rho g cos beta by nu into x. This is the differential equation for the velocity distribution. After integration of last equation, we get this bz value and apply the boundary condition 2x equal to delta and bz equal to 0. Rho g delta square cos beta by 2 nu into 1 minus x by delta का whole square. We get the b maximum value. We can calculate the average velocity over cross section of the film by this formula. We get 2 by 3 bz maximum, and the mass flow rate, the W equal to delta square g W rho delta cube cos beta by 3 nu. Now we solve our question by the by this formula. We put all value given in the question and get a W equals to 0.204 watt. This is the desired result provided at the flow of laminar and non-rippling. To determine the flow regimes, we calculate the Reynolds number. We put all the value and get the 5.1 Reynolds number. This is a satisfied result. This is our profile diagram for our question. This is the velocity distribution profile and the momentum flux distribution profile. Now we discuss the problem 3. The falling film with variable viscosity. In earlier question, we defined the falling film with the constant viscosity, but here we discuss the variable viscosity. Nu is equal to nu naught e की power minus alpha x. So we solve this problem by the cell valence equation. The same derivation we discussed earlier. We get this final equation in earlier derivation. The tau xz is equal to minus rho nu dvz by dx. Then we apply this equation in our question to solve. We put Newton law of viscosity with variable viscosity in equation 4 and this equation. So we get this equation minus u naught e की power alpha x by delta dvz by ds बराबर rho g x cos beta. On put all the value, so we get this integration, and this equation can be integrated using boundary condition where the integration constant viscosity velocity profile that this है ना. We cannot solve this equation, so we can expand it by the Taylor series. After Taylor series we get this equation, and we also calculate the average velocity of this equation. We discuss the problem 4, the shape of the surface of rotating liquid. A liquid of a constant density and viscosity in a cylindrical container of radius r. In so any figure, a container is to be rotated about axis angular velocity omega. The cylinder axis is vertical, so that the gr is equal to 0, g theta 0, or gz is equal to minus g, in which g is the magnitude of the gravitational acceleration. When steady state has been established, so delta is equal to omega is equal to 10 radian per second, g is equal to 9.8. Find the height difference between center and radius. We can solve this problem with the equation of change and the cell valence. We can see this derivation in earlier problem by the equation of change. We get this the final equation, z is equal to z naught omega square by 2g by r square. This is the equation of parabola. We solve our question by this formula. This value are given. We put all the value in this formula and get a 20.4 centimeter. This is our profile description. This is the shape of a parabola. We can also solve this for the cell valence equation. This also derivation we can earlier discuss in previous question. And also after all derivation we get this same final equation, z is equal to z naught half omega r square by g, and this is the same profile we get in earlier, and the same result we solve the 20.4 centimeter. It's the same profile.